Voye Esim review tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at this platform that offers us a wide range of different plans we can interact with in different countries. And if you want to use Voye, you can find the link in description. In this case, you'll get the best possible prices. So here on this page, we can just simply find all the information of how can we get our eSIM. So all we need to do is to select the necessary plan, install it, and then just simply activate. As you can see, we don't need to download something, we don't need to use any apps. We can just simply open this website in our browser with our PC or with our phone, nothing hard. And in order to get started to discover all the plans, you can just simply find this header in the top, and then you just simply need to click on plans. So after that, we'll come to the next page where we have three different folders: local eSIMs, where we can find like different countries, regional with the regions of course, and global like coverage with eSIM. So sometimes it could be really helpful, but in my case it's better to use regional or local. And let's say that we would like to visit Europe, especially for example France, so we can just simply select this country. After that, we can now find all the plans available. So here we can find different data amount and also like days number, 7, like 15, 30 days and 30 days. So yeah, all you just need to do is to click on buy now on the necessary plan. So let's say I'd like to use 10 gigabytes for 30 days. Let's click on this button, and on the next tab we now can check out. So we need to add our email, confirm it, add the full name, and also like the phone number, or we can use the Google itself. So after that, we'll need to review our plan and then select the payment method. We can pay with our credit card or use some alternatives. After that, you'll be able to receive your QR code on your email, and then you can just simply install your eSIM. If you want to find detailed instruction, you can then go to how to install folder, and here we can read everything we need to do, like open settings, select the necessary like cellular, and do some additional like steps. As you can see, all the things are quite simple, and I hope guys that this video was helpful for you, and I recommend you to use link in the description, so don't forget about it. Yeah, I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.